Exploring this abandoned site is a haunting experience. Rust-covered coasters entwined with foliage, a stark contrast to the vibrant laughter that once filled the air. Walking through its desolate paths feels like a journey into a bygone era, a reminder of the fragility of man-made marvels against nature's wrath. Six Flags New Orleans, now a haunting monument to a natural disaster's impact, offers a sobering glimpse into the passage of time and the resilience of nature. Its dormant state serves as a testament to the power of nature's reclaiming force, transforming a once thriving amusement park into a surreal, silent witness to a tragic chapter in Louisiana's history.